Hi, it's Orit Esther Riter presenting today's Daily Dose of Emuna. So today, the 25th of Elul, is an amazing day. I invite you all to go to the website dailydoseofemuna.com and check out the Elul page. And on it is listed the special tefillot and special prayers to be said today according to the Ben Ish Chai. So today we're supposed to light up 5 beautiful little tea light candles, and today is a day where the light of Chesed is illuminated, is brought down, and it shines down onto the world. Today, the 25th of Elul, is the day that celebrates the day of creation. It's the day that in Bereshit, that Hashem began the process, and the description that's told to us in Sefer Bereshit begins today, the 25th of Elul, the day and the process of creation starts to begin today. So today we light 5 lights of 5 tea candles, and that represents the light of Chesed. The Chesed that descends down on the day today is the day of creation. It's the idea that today there's a special time, a special opportunity for us to tap into the illuminating light of loving kindness in which the whole existence was created on, the loving kindness on which Hashem created the world. Today we get a chance, as we light those 5 candles, to really tap into that energy, be'ezrat Hashem. So like I said, the tefillah is on the website, so you'll be able to pull it off. I do want to make mention that today we need to be very careful not to get into acts of anger, not to lose our patience. Today's a day of great feast. You should go out and make an amazing meal, a festive meal, even bless Birkat HaMazon, eat some sweets, party up, get the friends and neighbors over, and it's a day of great celebration as we tap into the amazing light of loving kindness and chesed, be'ezrat Hashem. And there's also Segula today to read those few verses of Sefer Bereshit that actually depict the whole reciting and the description of creation. So let's make it an amazing day. Let's make it an illuminated day, and light those candles, lady, and be'ezrat Hashem, in that zchut, in the zchut of the holy Ben Ish Chai, we should have a beautiful journey up leading to Rosh Hashanah, and our whole entire year should be illuminated, be'ezrat Hashem, with loving kindness, personally and collectively, for the Jewish nation. Amen. Make it a great Emuna-filled day.